Do I look like a poodle? Hello and welcome back to my face. This one here. I am not very inventive or creative when it comes to thinking up makeup looks. And I'm also a bit scared, to be honest, of using fun colours because they scare me a little bit. But I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, and it's got some fun colours in there, but I'm always too scared to use them because I just am. So I have been through Pinterest and Instagram looking for some ideas. I found a few and I'm going to try and recreate one to the best of my abilities, which admittedly isn't very good. I've already done my base makeup because it would just be too long otherwise. I'd faff around, and so I've done my foundation and everything else. Eyebrows, that's why I probably look a bit cray-cray. I did try and do this last week, but when I was trying to zoom in to see the eye look, I pressed a button and stopped the camera from recording. So, I mean, it was great, it was great. I felt really great about it. I filmed the whole thing. I thought I was filming the whole thing. And I hadn't. Great stuff. It's really good. It's really made my day. If you want to see how well I get on setting myself this little challenge, then just keep on watching and you shall see if I succeed or not. Let's get into it, shall we? I need to get the picture. So the picture I've picked has got like a step-by-step, sort of. You'll see in the picture. Let's give it a go, shall we? First things first. So, I need to put New Wave, which is this like mustardy yellow. I'm going to select a really clean makeup brush out of my really clean makeup brushes. So I'm going to put a bit of New Wave, just check I'm doing this right, into, yeah, it's like above the crease. I'm going to put it above the crease. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh goodness, that's far too much, isn't it? Okay, let's try and blend that out. This is why I never do these things, because it always goes wrong. And when it gets to this stage, I'm just like, no, can't fix it. I'm just done. I'm going to take it off and start again. But there's nothing a good blend can't fix. The picture's a bit more subtle than what I've done, but we'll just keep going, we'll just keep going. Is that enough? I'm just going to put a little bit more in it. We're just going to roll with it. The next step is to put number 2, which is All Star, on top of that, but a bit more creasy. Just trying to use all fluffy brushes so I can blend easily. Little and build, little and build. That must be something helpful. Oh no. Big splodge there. Fuck. And by the power of blending, she's blended it away. Is this looking anything like the picture? I think I need a bit more. Oh no, I should have stuck to where I was. Oh heavens to Betsy. Shouldn't I be telling you which brushes I'm using? That first one was the MAC 210 and this one is the Real Techniques Fluffy Duo Fibre brush. Fuck, they look like two different things. Let's move on to number 3. So now I need to put some concealer on the lid. I'm going to use my Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot. Soft Ochre. The search for a clean brush is just ongoing. I'm going to use my Harry Potter wand, storybook flat brush, hopefully injecting a little bit of magic into the whole ordeal. So, just like this. I've seen people do things like this when they do like a glitter cut crease. Is that what it's called? I've just realised I said Harry Potter wand, and what I meant was one of the Harry Potter themed ones, because I think this is Voldemort. I'm going to consider that step a success. Moving on to step 5. This is the terrifying bit for me. So now I've got to put Axis in the inner V and the outer V, and I'm going to use the MAC, oh this is the MAC 210, which is like a pencil brush, something like that. I'm just going to put it in the inner and outer V. Oh my god, I think I've gone too far into the inner. Fuck it. Oh god, that's far too much. Oh no, I've got it under my eye. This just feels like the most difficult part. Oh my god, it looks so sharp. Then there is Adorn, which is a really pretty gold, which is on the middle where I haven't put the green. I'm going to use the same Harry Potter brush. Gone into concentrate mode. I'm in serious concentrate mode. Just going to use my Morphe something or other fluffy brush to blend the edges. Right, so the next thing I need to do is put New Wave and Axis under the eye. I'm going to use another of my Harry Potter wand sets. Is this Voldemort's wand? I've got another pencil brush. I'm going to take a lot of New Wave to try and cover the dirt on my brush. Now I'm just going to put Axis on a different pointy brush. Really close to the lash line. Going to use a small fluffy, this is a Morphe one as well, oh M506. I'm just going to blend it underneath my eye to get rid of the harsh line. Okay, what's my next step? Liquid liner. So I've got the Stila waterproof liquid eyeliner. Just going to quickly put a little line on. Sisters not twins, sisters not twins, sisters not twins. Oh my gosh, we're nearly finished. So I've got to put Cube in the inner corner, which I'm going to put on an angled liner brush. Now she's got some lovely big lashes on to finish. Where's my poodle gone? There we go. She's got some lovely big lashes on to finish hers, but I've got eyelash extensions and I don't want to put any more on. So sorry Charlie, but I'm going to put a little bit of mascara. Okay. And I think we're done. What do you think? Now, I don't want to toot my own horn, but toot. If I do say so myself, I think I've done quite well. What do you think? I mean, they're not perfect. Do they look identical? Not really, but I'm quite impressed with myself. How do you think I did? Put a bit of metallic, matte me metallic, just because I think the lip needs an upgrade, quite frankly. Ooh. Never used a metallic lip before, this is quite exciting. I'm quite impressed with myself. I'm glad I tried something new. Would this be my everyday look for January? Perhaps not. But I definitely think I'll try it again for if I go out, which is very rare, but if I do, this is going to be my go-to. If you liked the video, don't forget to like. Also, don't forget to like if you didn't like the video, because why not? Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of me, and apparently now you have to turn a bell on or something, so you could probably do that if you wanted to, because I'm very sporadic with when I upload, so if you want to make sure you never miss any of this, then you should probably do that. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to do all the things I just told you to do, like the liking and the subscribing and the commenting and the sharing me with your friends. Thanks. Right, I'll see you next time then.